Today, you'll learn how to make a line in Word that you can type on. First, place the cursor where you want the typing line to appear. The easiest method is to click the Insert tab, select Table, and insert a table with one row and one column. Type your text above the table if needed. Then click inside the table cell and go to the Table Design tab. Select Borders and choose Borders and Shading. Remove the top, left, and right borders, leaving only the bottom border. You can also adjust the line style, line color, and width here. You can see the preview of your line by clicking this bottom border icon. Just click OK when you're done. Now you have a clean line that you can click on and type directly above. You can also adjust the length of the line by dragging the edge of the table cell. This gives you a professional-looking fillable line that stays in place when you type. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.